Wow, honey, would you look at that? Hooper Airlines, top class. It looks like we got the whole plane to ourselves, kids.
Wow, Dad, this is awesome. Look at all the room we have in here. It's completely empty.
Yeah, that's right, Johnny.
I want to sit in the front.
Now there's your seats back there, kids.
Race you over there.
Whatever, Johnny.
Yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah.
Told you I'd win, Johnny.
Whatever. I like the aisle seat anyways.
How do you get these windows open?
There we go. Now I have fresh air.
I guess I'll sit next to the rascals.
Alright, honey, whatever you say.
Ugh, it's not gonna be enjoyable.
Sweet, now I don't have to deal with a nagging wife or kids. This is gonna be a great flight. And look at these TVs. Wow. Hooper Airlines is where it's at. Hey, honey, check out these TVs.
Whatever. Now, kids, you better listen to me and be very good on this flight. I don't want to get disturbed at all. You hear me?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, that's fine. Now, enjoy. I love you.
Cha, where am I gonna sit, brah? Oh, man. Oh, look at all these people. Hey, people. What's up? Sa. Oh, front seat righteous, brah. Yeah. Front seat all to myself.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you would please pay attention to a message from the captain. Now, please look at the monitor and, yeah, listen to the instructions.
Hello there, you beautiful people. My name is Jonah, and I'll be your captain tonight for Flight 165. In the unlikely occurrence of an aircraft fire on the ground or in the air, please follow these instructions to maximize safety and to prevent any other hazards. If aircraft fuel is leaking and ignites, be sure to use an aqueous film-forming foam to extinguish. This will smother the flames. If there is an aircraft fire while in the air, use the ABC fire extinguisher located in the back of the plane. Remember, pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep to suppress the fire. Aircraft fires happen a lot faster than normal fires and can be dangerous. It is important to put the fires out quickly because aircrafts are full of flammable materials. Always remember that anyone can help put these fires out and prevent a disaster if these instructions are followed. On behalf of everyone at Hooper Airlines, we'd like to thank you for paying attention to these instructions. Now, as we prepare for takeoff, please relax and enjoy the flight. Thank you for flying Hooper Airlines.
Rapid intervention vehicle coming. What do I use on this fire? Fuel. What do I use? I forgot. Somebody help. I need help. Water or foam?
I believe it's the water. I heard it in the video.
All right, water it is. Water now. Oh, shit. Ah! Rapid intervention vehicle. What do I use on this fire for fuel? Anyone know? I forgot. I need help. What do I use?
You add foam.
Alright, foam, thank you.
I totally don't understand what this guy's saying at all. I need to get baked. Where's the restroom at? Ugh. Bakey time. No smoking. Luckily, this isn't a cigarette. Oh, need to get a little lit, fam. Oh. Oh shit! It fell. Oh, what do I do? I'm too faded to move. Oh, fire!
Ah, I'm burning! Ah! 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 No, scrap!
Oh, bro, fire, no! Chop, oh, shit. I dropped it. I dropped my joint in the blunt in the fire. I'm so faded though, I can't do anything. There's a fire in the trash.
Don't worry, I got my ABC fire extinguisher. Thanks to that video, I know to do my thing.